town in this hair. Don't be surprised if you get stopped on the street. Somebody asks you about where you get your hair done and how you won the lottery with such gorgeous hair. Introducing Sienna in the color Sienna Spice. Sienna is a long, lush, polished style. It's elegant, it's feminine. Remember, you can find this at Wig Studio One. If you go below the video, expand the description box. You'll find a direct product link there. Click on the link. It'll take you out to the site. You can see all of the colors and pricing and current sales on these items. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. We are ready to help. Sienna is a 22-inch length. And there's some layering here, anywhere from 6 to 16 inches on the sides, but it's pretty much the same length all the way around. That gives it that elegant Hollywood look. And this one has a temple to temple lace front left monofilament side part. It doesn't have any permatease. It's made from that heat-friendly fiber by Belle Tress in their City collection. And I love, love, love this cap. I'm going to show you a look at this cap in just a moment, but I cannot stop looking at this color. This is such a soft, wearable, everyday, elegant red. All I have to do is think of my favorite starlets with red hair. So let's say Jessica Chastain, definitely her color. Julianne Moore. We have Nicole Kidman, and even the Isla Fisher. She has beautiful red hair like this. So yes, absolutely starlet ready. I can't stop thinking about this color. If you like red and you like them a little more on the warm side, I think you're going to like this. Now this is a strawberry blonde, basically. A base color of a strawberry blonde, and then you have some coppery tones to it. I rather wish they would have called it copper instead of orange, just because orange doesn't sound very flattering, because we do see some very warm coppers running through this as well. Now this is not rooted, and that's going to make a lot of you happy because it just looks like a fresh color and highlight. Ready for that big night. Again, just beautiful. And I'm going to do a comparison between the Sienna Spice in the City Collection line and the Cafe Collection's Sumptuous Strawberry. So be on the lookout for that. So this is a really lush style. It has a soft, voluminous density to it. If you're looking at a ponytail, we're looking about 1 inch to 1.5 inches there on the ponytail. That gives you an idea of this density. It weighs about 6.5 ounces, which is very typical for a wig of this length and density. It feels very lightweight on the head, and it tends to stay out of the face. This is right out of the box. So you know me, I just put it on and start just to form it away from the face. And a little bit of contour appeared there by doing that. And the more you train it, the more it's just going to fall into place for you every time you put it on. So let's get up close to this lace front. Temple to temple, no seams, guys. No visible seam because it extends back into the ear tab for all of those beautiful away from the face looks. And then a left monofilament side part that runs all the way back to the crown. It doesn't stop halfway like some of the Cafe Collection. It goes all the way back. And there is quite a bit of space there in which to part the front. So you can really work that front according to your own preferences. I'm just going to take you through a couple of quick, very casual styling options so that you can get a sense of the movement, you can get a sense of the density and so forth. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you back here soon at TAZSWICCLOSET.